Bonjour. Lesson 4 Workbook exercises. First one, remplissez les blancs. Fill in the blanks. 1, 2, dash 4, 5. 1, 2, dash 4, 5. Before 4, it comes 3. After 2, it comes 3. It is trois. T-R-O-I-S, trois. Second one, 9, 10, dash 12, 13. 9, 10, dash 12, 13. 9, 10, after 10 it comes 11, before 12 it comes 11. So 11, O-N-Z-E. 17, 18, 19, after 19 it comes dash 20, VINGT. V-I-N-G-T. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I said the blank 7 because after 6 it comes 7, before 8 it comes 7, S-E-P-T, 7. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Again, 12, 13, dash 15, 16. I said already 14 because after 13 it comes 14, before 15 it comes 14. So 14, Q-U-A-T-O-R-Z-E. Second one, colorier les bons nombres. Color the correct numbers. Pictures are given. You have to count. You can even write it here. How many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 in French is neuf. Neuf fleurs. You can write that. And here you have to find out in color the correct number neuf. Same way here. You have to count it and write. How many cars are there? It is 18. So I have colored it 18. A group of boys. Again you can count and color the number. You can even write how many? 5. 5 in French. Boys are known as garçons. 5 garçons. Then we have to count out the pen. Pen is known as stylo. How many? 15. I have already colored 15. Then we have how many houses? 4. Color 4. Then question 3. Lissez les nombres en chiffres avec les nombres en lettres. Correct the numbers to the words. Numbers are given, their French names are given below. You have to find out by a way of doing the puzzle with the pencil and go to that number. For example, the 13, 8, 6. The, here it is given the, find out the road and do it with the pencil and match it. Same way 13. 13 is here, 8 is here, 6 is here. Question 4. Remplissez les blancs. Fill in the blanks. Some blanks are given and some words are given. Q-I, Q-N-Z-E. Q-N-Z-E. It's a number. So, with number there are two, 3 words. First is 4, second is 14 and 15. You have to see the number of blank and find out the spelling. 4 and 14 doesn't have N, so 15. Second one, dash I dash hyphen N dash U dash. These enough because in between we have a dash or a hyphen. There are 3. 17, 18, 19. So out of that, one is there. That is 19. C, S, dash E dash Z E. That is says. Then D is Q dash dash T dash dash means 4. If you count and write the spelling C D then E T dash dash I dash TROIS 3. Now we have to count from the picture given and write it here. Comptez bien, count properly. See the picture, number of boys, girls playing in the garden, flowers, butterflies. They are playing with ball, train, everything. Example is given, flower. How many? They have counted 17. So it is written here, the set fleur. Then we have B, papillon, means butterfly. How many are there? If we count, it becomes 1, 3, 13. 13 papillon and papillon will have S because it is not singular. Garçon. How many? If you count, there are 6. 6 garçon. Then girls. Girls are known as filles. How many? 4. 4 filles. Ballon. Ball. How many are there? There are only 2, but still in plural. So the ballon. And what is this? Wagon. Wagon of a train. How many it has? 3. 3 wagons. Remember to add an S to make the nouns plural, which we have done already. Now this question answer. Écrivez les nombres en français. Write the numbers in French. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. But to write only in numbers, you can also write 7 jours. SCPT 7, JOURS, jour. Either you write full sentence or 2 words. SCPT 7, JOURS, 7 jours. How many players are there in a cricket team? 11. We all know. Il y a 11 joueurs dans une équipe de cricket. Dans une équipe in the team of cricket. You can only write 2 words also as option. Like first answer. 11 joueurs. How many faces does a dice have? Dice has 6 sides. So 6 faces. 6 visages. Il y a 6 visages dans une dé. Dé is the French name of dice. You can only write 2 words. 6 visages. SIX VISAGES. Visage. Then how many eggs are there in a dozen? Dozen, if you take any unit, it has 12 units, which makes a dozen. So you can write 12 œufs. 12 œufs. Il y a 12 œufs dans une douzaine. Or as option you can write 12 œufs. How many minutes are there in a quarter hour? Quarter hour, 1/4 of time, that is 15 minutes. Il y a 15 minutes dans une quart d'heure. That is 15 minutes. Option you can write 15 minutes or 15 minutes. Dessinez le bon nombre d'objets. Draw the correct number of objects. Number 7. So, first one is 3 papillons. You have to draw 3 butterflies. Second, 4 fleurs. You have to draw 4 flowers. Then, 12 stylos, 12 pens. And 3 crayons, 3 pencils. Then you have the last exercise, number 8. Colorier selon les nombres. color according to the number. Color plate is given. Numbers are given in French. In French, number is N, and N has red color. Here, find out N, that is 1, and I have colored it red. Second one is trois. Trois is having gray. I have done it gray. Cinq. Number 5. It has orange color. So cinq, orange, and like that you fill up the plate. You will have 13 different colors, and the exercise will be completed. So this was your exercise number 8 and of lesson 4 in the workbook as your revision. Now I am going to begin a little bit with lesson 5. Les objects. Les object has few important topics like objects and a union day, which you have learnt earlier. As this is your revision part, we are doing it again so that it becomes a practice. Alright? Les objets. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a sur la table de Paul? What does Paul have on his table? Let us learn. Lesson 5. Les objets. The objects. And Paul and Sarah are talking. The French love reading. France reads more books than any other country. Paul replies, it proves that books are man's best friend. Yes. Why do they come in every chapter? Once again I am repeating, because they give a general knowledge and a fact and the hint towards your lesson. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a sur la table de Paul? Paul has so many stationery on his table. Eraser, known as uniform, pen, des stylo, because they are not one, more than one. Sharpener, a taille crayon, compass box, une trousse, pencils, des crayon, ruler, une règle. All these are there on the table of Paul. Now we have most important topic of les articles indéfinis, indefinite article. In French, all nouns have gender. That is, a noun will be either masculine or feminine. The indefinite article un and une tell the gender of the noun. The indefinite article they is used for plural noun, irrespective of gender. And or n for masculine singular, all the things. Une or n feminine singular. And they, some, masculine or feminine plural. To make a noun plural, we usually add an s at the end of the word, like English. Singulier, pluriel. Singular has masculine, feminine, masculine, feminine. Un ballon, a ball. Un papillon, a butterfly. Une glass, an ice cream. Une pomme, an apple. Now plural of these, it is here. Des ballons, some balls. Des glass, some ice creams. Des pommes, some apple. Des papillons, some butterflies. So this is the indefinite article or an or some, a unit day. The other things we will discuss in another lecture. Till then, au revoir.